This is part 2 of finding nature in the city of Champaign-Urbana in Illinois. Now we are at the University of Illinois Arboretum, which is another peaceful oasis of nature amid the hectic hustle and bustle of the city. Yeah, one of the cool things about this arboretum is it has a little Japanese garden. Yeah, I think we should do this with our backyard.
Yeah, I know.
Like the side yard, I want to go all herb garden cottagecore, and then the backyard, I'd want to do peaceful Zen garden. It's just so peaceful back here. That's a robin singing. Is he ruining your Zen vibe? And the waxwings. This is a much appreciated peaceful pause. Surrounded by a cacophony of blackbirds.
There's the geese. And the duck, I think.
That's a rather small flock to leave behind so much evidence.
Yep. 2 mallards. Oh, and juvenile geese.
Oh no. They're cute. They are cute. I wonder how close I can get.
Oh, there's even smaller. I was thinking the bigger one.
I'm just gonna try and get as close as... If I get attacked by geese, it will be my own fault. Well, you can tell these are city geese. Country geese would be freaking out by now with me getting this close to admire their babies. How close can I get? There are several geese family here. So cute. Nature in the city. And you see, I live to tell the tale.
Didn't think you'd die.
I could have been viciously attacked by geese.
Yeah, but you wouldn't be dead.
Oh, it could be fatal.
No, it couldn't be.
I'm sure if
Unless you knocked your head up against a rock
I'm
and
sure
falling backward.
if you look up fatal geese attack, you could find something. Not necessarily a true story, but you could find something.
They must be used to people.
That's what I said. City geese have no fear. What's that stone? I'm gonna go look at that stone. I think that's a very peaceful stone. It has a peaceful vibe.
No, it doesn't.
It does?
No, it doesn't.
Or do you think it's an aggressive, angry stone?
Yes.
Like
Yes, I do.
Like a psychic attack stone?
No, like it's mean.
Alright, now we are entering the Arboretum part of the University of Illinois Arboretum. Alright, I have just heard a shocking revelation that my spouse does not miss the dogs.
No, I don't. They can be by themselves for a couple hours. I think this is something they want to do over on the other side, but they just haven't done.
Yeah, it looks like it's a work in progress.
Spiderwort.
Yeah, that grows in the wild. Well, put it in a trash can?
Yeah.
Hashtag free the tomatoes. Oh, look, they're growing Swiss chard. That's making me hungry.
Swiss chard has never made me feel like I need to eat it.
Just look how delicious it looks. Oh, it looks so delicious.
No, it doesn't.
It says this is the Master Gardener's idea garden. Are you getting ideas? There's the children's garden. That's where my mom would be. And this southwest corner is the Serenity Garden. Maybe it's the rock design that makes it serene. Well, I think I am going to sum up our visit here. I have had a fun morning of looking for nature in the city. And this is, again, the second stop, the U of I Arboretum. Got this little garden, their Master Gardener's Idea Garden here in the corner. It's been a really good morning, but now it's getting hot. And I'm about ready for lunch. So I will leave you here, and I hope you will join us on my next adventure.